question was a private house questions in 2013. The question says, in partnership, Ajayi contributed 500,000 naira more than Kuli. So whatever amount of Kuli is contributing, Ajayi is spending or contributing 500,000 naira more than that amount. That means any amount Kuli is contributing, Ajayi will add 500,000 naira to that amount. That is the analysis they are bringing, or the points they are trying to put into the partnership agreement. Now let us follow that with a solution. We don't know the amount of money Kuli is contributing. The moment you know the amount of money Kuli is contributing, you can add 500,000 to that. That becomes Ajayi's contribution. So by that we say let Kuli's contribution equals any letter of our choice. Let us say Y. We are saying Kuli is contributing Y. According to them, in partnership, Ajayi contributed 500,000 naira more than Kuli. So if that is the case, Ajayi contributed Y plus 500,000 naira. That is what we are saying. So whatever amount of money Kuli is contributing, Ajayi is contributing Y plus 500,000 naira. That will be the amount Ajayi will contribute. Now we move further. The total profit was 15% of total contribution. Let us get the total contribution. The total contribution is going to be the amount of money Ajayi contributed and the amount of money Kuli contributed. That means Y plus 500,000. Y plus 500,000 naira. Y plus Y is 2Y plus 500,000 naira. That will be the total amount contributed by the two people engaging in that partnership. Now, according to the question, the total profit was 15% of their total contribution. So we have the right to say total profit, according to the statement, total profit is 15%. 15% means percentage over 100 of the total contribution. You multiply that by total contribution. And the total contribution is 2Y into 500,000. 2Y plus 500,000. Now 15 divided by 100 is 0.15 into 2Y plus 500,000. You clear the bracket. You multiply 0.15 by 2. 0.15 times 2. That will give us 0.3 here, 0.3Y. We have 0.15 times 500,000. 500,000 times 0.15. That gives 75,000. 75,000. That is the total profit. This particular one becomes the total profit. Now we come to the question proper. If Kuli received 2/3 of the profit, Kuli received 2/3 of the profit. Now Kuli's profit, according to them, Kuli is receiving 2/3 of the profit. That is 2/3 of the profit. And what is the profit? The profit is 0.3Y plus 75,000. 2 divided by 3, if you divide 2 by 3, you are going to get 0.67. 0.67 times 0.3Y plus 75,000. If that is the case, 0.67 times 0.3 times 0.3 will give us 0.201. That is giving us 0.201Y plus 0.67 times 75,000. 0.67 times 75,000 that becomes 50,250. 50250. That is the amount of money Kuli received. Now we go to the question. They are saying if Kuli received 2/3 of the profit that we have analyzed, which amounted to 84,000 euros. They say the money we have got here just amounted to 84,000 naira. This whole analysis, according to them, if Kuli received 2/3 of the profit, which amounted to 84,000 naira. So that means all the analysis here, 0.201y plus 50250, according to them, is amounting to 84,000 naira. That one amounts to that. You can collect right times, you take this 50250 over, you are left with 0.201y equals 84,000 minus 50250. So if you subtract that 84,000 less that figure, you are going to get 33750. 0.201y equals 33750. You divide both sides by 0.201 to get y. You divide by 0.201. This cancels. So we get y as that amount divided by 0.201 is given us 1679 10 to the nearest whole number. That will be y. And what did we say is representing y? According to the question, we say let Kuli's contribution be y. That means Kuli is contributing this amount. That one we have got is Kuli's contribution. Now, we go further to the A part of the question now, or the Roman number 1 of the question. If that is the case, we now try to get total profit. The total profit. According to the analysis we did, the total profit analysis equation was, you can write it here, total profit is 0.3y plus 75,000. So if that is transferred here, we have 0.3y plus 75,000. We have got the value of y. Wherever you see y, you put 167910. So if that is done here, we have 0.3 times 167910 plus 75,000. If I multiply that, 0.3 times 167910 plus 75,000 plus that 75,000 is going to give us 373 naira. That will be the total profit. According to them, they are now saying Ajayi's share of the profit. But in the question, we are told that Kuli's profit amounted to 84,000 euros. 84,000. Now the two of them we are sharing this profit. But Kuli alone received 84,000. So the balance that was left goes to Ajayi. We now have Ajayi's profit. Ajayi's profit. Ajayi's profit will be the total profit that the two of them were to share. That was 125,375 minus the one Kuli took. Kuli alone received a profit of 84,000. That was what it did. So that amount minus 84,000 will give us 41,375. That is giving us 41,375 naira in that case. So if that is the analysis, we have got Ajayi's share of the profit. Now if that is done, we move further to the second part of the question. The second part of the question says Kuli's contribution to the partnership. What did Kuli contribute to the partnership? According to the analysis, we say Kuli's contribution, let it be y. And we have got the value of y. Whatever amount of value or whatever value we have for y is for Kuli. So you have the right now to say Kuli's contribution. Kuli's contributed